everybody. Today I'm going on an adventure and there are two people here with me. So it's gonna be a fun adventure. You're gonna get to meet two people in my family. Yeah. One of them might not be on camera at all. All right, let's go. We're going to Ocean Beach. It's gonna be super fun. Okay, I'm gonna pay attention to the road now. Can you make it so it's loud enough for me to hear?
It should be.
So bumpy!
So you're gonna
Bumpy!
Ridge 101 north. You see that?
Okay, yes. The fog is really cool.
Yes, Charlotte.
Is this Golden Gate Park?
We are approaching, but no, we're not there yet.
Okay, but like that's where we ran for Beta Breakers.
Yeah.
And we saw so many naked people. Oh. Yeah, I know. They shouldn't have been naked too. It was not a good look for them.
Why were they naked?
Well, it was all like these really old men, and I was like, I don't really know what you're doing. Yeah, I had to shield my eyes. I was like 12. I don't know.
Oh, those are cool earrings, Maddie. Where'd you get them?
I got them from my friend's shop, Sasky & Co. Sasky & Co?
Sasky & Co.
Yes. Hashtag ad. Charlotte, your baby Yoda really looks to me like a genie.
Well, that's because Dad hangs it from not where it's supposed to be hung. It doesn't always look like a genie. Look, it looks like a baby Yoda without the tail. You understand? Wear your mask. Wear your mask. Wear your mask. And be 6 feet apart.
Look at the fog, Charlotte.
Froggy.
It's froggy, I know.
Top of the world looking.
Remember that Friends episode where they're singing this and Ross is outside and the cat's on his head? I keep thinking of that. I don't always wash my face. I know. I just don't do it.
But that's not good.
I know, but I'm also lazy.
But that's gonna give you bad skin.
I'm also using some products at night where I don't really need to wash. Like, they don't recommend it. Okay, but
Also, I don't use sunscreen.
Okay, that's bad.
God, that's bad, Charlotte.
Well, how'd this flip on me?
Oh, wait, that's what I kind of asked you at the beginning. Like,
But you went straight for so long, it didn't matter.
but I could have been in the right lane.
But it didn't matter.
Okay, but I like that.
I also don't know if Lily knew.
I did know.
She didn't know.
But we were going so far that it didn't matter. Because perhaps the opportunity for you to get in the right lane back then wasn't as good as the one for you to get in the right lane now.
Yeah. Okay, but the point is I just wanted to know.
There it is. Oh, that was too zoomed in. You excited, Maddie?
I am excited. Ocean Beach.
Hi, Lily.
It's so nice.
Well, you're in the way.
Look, there's little people. They look like tiny little ants. But I know this might seem like not very nice weather, but in reality, I think this is beautiful too. Like some people only like when it's sunny, but I think there's beauty even when it's foggy. So let's go enjoy ourselves. We might splash in the waves, so woo! Okay, so we're at the beach. Also, look at the earrings, Saskia & Co. It's my friend's account. Follow it on Instagram. I'll tag them below.
Do you see it? It's like
It's not a photo, it's a video.
Charlotte! How are you feeling?
Good.
Wanting to say anything?
I'm cold.
You're cold. You can wear this towel.
No.
Okay, then no complaining that you're cold.
Okay.
Charlotte, what should I do?
Strike a pose. Not that one.
Okay.
Anyways.
I feel like we should do like, I don't know, just thoughts with me, you know? Thoughts with Maddie. So I'm thinking right now that it's foggy and cold, but I also like it. I'm also, oh my god, how did I stain this? Are you kidding me? It's toothpaste. We're slowly stalking the other one,
The other one.
but she doesn't know. Here he goes. Oh my gosh, look!
they're all moving.
Oh my god.
What if they poop?
Poop on Maddie.
I thought
Poop
that-
on Maddie's phone.
But yeah, it's just so nice being out in nature. It's so beautiful. I like being here with my sisters. Do you ever kind of feel like, you know, in Moana, they have the really nice ocean, and then here we are, like not that this isn't beautiful, but then here we are with this really cold ocean.
I prefer this.
Okay. I think we're gonna head out. We want to go get some bagels. We have bagels at home. Yeah,
bagels at
we have
home?
bagels at home. We got bagels. So, thank you guys so much for coming on this tiny little adventure with us. You got to meet that one and Charlotte. Two of the coolers are. I don't even know how to finish that. But yeah, and thank you for coming. I think it was fun. I had some fun, and see you next week. Bye.